How to register your LLC in USA from Bangladesh. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're in Bangladesh and want to sell online, work with US clients, or build a global brand, setting up a US LLC is one of the most strategic moves you can make. A US registered LLC lets you open international payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, open a US bank account, and build instant trust with customers around the world. But registering a company in the US from Bangladesh can feel overwhelming. You'll need a US business address, a registered agent, and an EIN from the IRS, all without living in the US or having a social security number. That's why in this video, I'll show you exactly how to register your LLC from Bangladesh in just a few clicks using a tool called Busy, which is a platform trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So click the link in the description to visit busy.com. It's a platform we'll use in this tutorial to make the entire process simple and affordable. So head over to busy.com and pick a state like Wyoming or Delaware. These are ideal for non-residents because they offer low fees, easy maintenance, and no physical presence requirements. Next, you gotta simply type in your LLC name designator and select whether you're registering an entity containing a word or words in any form of a foreign language, and then head over, click on Next. Give the information about the contact person, type down their first name, last name, email, and mobile number. Then you'll be asked about the members' information of your company, type that down, and then you gotta select whether you want Busy to give you the service of registered agent. And Busy will assign you a registered agent free for 1 year, or if you'd like to act as your own registered agent, you will have an option for that also. Select the one that is convenient for you. And then you get to select whether you want Busy to obtain your EIN or tax identification number. Give your order summary a read and then click on Next and then type down your credit card credentials. Once done, simply click on Complete and Pay. And that's it. Busy will handle the entire formation process and send your LLC documents and EIN by email, usually within a few business days. You could file directly through official state websites like sosdelaware.government, but that requires a US address, IRS paperwork, and legal knowledge. If you're in Bangladesh, Busy is the faster and safer alternative. So I recommend Busy because it has an EIN application service for non-US residents, and it has an easy step-by-step process designed for global founders. If you're ready to launch your US business from Bangladesh, this is the smartest way to do it. Click the link in the description to start your US LLC with Busy today. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.